Chapter 4 Text Alignment and Font Setting in MS Excel 2013. You will learn about text alignment using alignment group in Excel, changing orientation of text, changing indentation of text, font group, applying borders, number group, formatting worksheet. Contents of all cells in Excel use the same formatting by default, due to which it becomes difficult to read a workbook with a lot of information. Basic formatting can change the look and feel of your workbook, making it easy to view the content, and it also draws attention to specific contents of a cell. Excel allows you to apply number formatting so as to tell exactly what type of data you are using in your workbook, such as percentage, currency, and so on. You can add color, change fonts, put in heading, apply borders, and much more in basic formatting. When you format a worksheet, you take your black and white page of data to something that looks professional and attractive. There are many types of formatting that can be applied to Excel worksheets. The most commonly used formatting commands are available under the Home tab in 3 groups. Font group. Commands of this group change the appearance of text within a cell or of the cell itself. Alignment group. Commands of this group change the position of text within a cell or cells. Number group. Commands of this group change the format of numbers and dates within a cell. Now let's learn about them one by one. Font group. Font group provides you several commands as given below. Font size, font style, border, increase font size, decrease font size, bold, font color, italic, underline, fill color. To change the font, by default, the font of each new workbook is set to Calibri. However, Excel provides you many other types of fonts which you can use to format your cell text. Following are the steps to change the font. Step 1. First of all, select the cells of which you want to change the font. Step 2. Now under the Home tab, click on the drop-down arrow next to the font command. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 3. Select the font of your choice from menu and the text will change to the selected font. To change the font size, following are the steps to change the font size. Step 1. First of all, select the cells of which the font size is to be changed. Step 2. Now under the Home tab in Font Group, click on the drop-down arrow next to the Font Size command. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 3. Select the font size of your choice from menu and the text will change to the selected font size. Brain Dose. Along with Calibri, some other standard reading fonts are Cambry, Times New Roman, and Arial. Note, you can also use increase font size and decrease font size commands from the font group or enter a custom font size using the keyboard. To change the font color, it only changes the color of text placed inside a cell. Following are the steps to change font color. Step 1. First of all, select the cell of which the font color is to be changed. Step 2. Now under the Home tab in Font Group, click on the drop-down arrow next to the Font Color command. The color menu will appear. Step 3. Select the font color of your choice from the color menu and the text will change to the selected font color. Add or fill color to a cell or range of cells. You can also add color to a cell or range of cells. It doesn't change the font color, instead it provides a colored background. Fill color button of the font group is used to change the background color. Following are the steps to change color of background. Step 1. First of all, select the cell or cells of which the background color is to be changed. Step 2. Now under the Home tab in Font Group, click on the drop-down arrow next to the Fill Color command. A color menu will appear. Step 3. Select a color of your choice from the menu and the background color of selected cell or cells gets changed. Bold, italic and underline command. If you want to emphasize the contents of cells by highlighting them in an Excel worksheet, then these 3 commands are of great use for you. You can use these commands all together also, or if you want to use them separately, you can do that also. Following are the steps to do so. Step 1. First of all, select the cells that you want to make bold, italic or underline. Step 2. Now under the Home tab, click on either bold B, italic I or underline U. Step 3. The selected style will be applied to the text. Note: you can also press Ctrl+B from keyboard to make selected text bold, Ctrl+I to make text italic, Ctrl+U to apply an underline, and press Ctrl+B+I+U to apply 3 of them together. To apply double underline below the text, click on the down arrow next to Underline button and choose Double Underline option. Applying borders. Excel allows you to add borders around cells or range of cells for presenting your data more effectively in a worksheet. Following are the steps to apply borders. Step 1. First of all, select the cells around which you want to apply a border. Step 2. Now under the Home tab in Font Group, click the drop-down arrow next to the Borders command. A border drop-down menu will appear. Step 3. Select a border style of your choice from the menu and the selected border style will appear around the selected cells. This image displays Worksheet with All Borders option. Drawing borders. You can draw borders and change the line style and color of borders with the Draw Borders tools present at the bottom of Borders drop-down menu. Following are the steps to draw a border. Step 1. Under the Home tab in Font Group, click the drop-down arrow next to the Borders command. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 2. Select the line color and line style options under the Draw Borders section. Step 3. Now the Draw Border option. After this, cursor changes to a pencil. Then drag the mouse on the cell boundary around which the border is to be applied. Or select the Draw Border Grid option. The cursor changes to a pencil having a small square next to it. Then drag the mouse over the cell or cells around which border is to be applied. Using this, you can draw border around a alignment group. The options for changing alignment, orientation and indentation of data inside a cell are all present under Alignment group. Brain dose. 512 fonts can be used in an Excel sheet. Top align, middle align, bottom align, orientation, left align, center align, right align, decrease indent, increase indent. Changing alignment of text. Alignment is a term used to describe how text is placed in relation with the cell boundaries. Any text entered in the worksheet will be aligned to the bottom left of a cell by default and numbers will be aligned to the bottom right by default. Following are the various options available for aligning a text. Alignment option. Function. Example. Left alignment. It aligns text to the left border of cell. Center alignment. It aligns text at an equal distance from the left and right borders of a cell. Right alignment. It aligns text to the right border of cell. Top alignment. It aligns text to the top border of cell. Middle alignment. It aligns text at an equal distance from the top and bottom border of cell. Bottom alignment. It aligns text to the bottom border of cell. Below are the steps to align a text. Step 1. First of all, select the cell or cells that you want to modify. Step 2. Select the alignment style of your choice from the alignment group under the Home tab. Step 3. The text of the selected cells will get realigned. Changing orientation of text. Orientation is a term used to describe how text is rotated inside the cell at different angles. Various orientation options are present under the Alignment group in Home tab. Following are the steps to change the orientation of text. Angle counterclockwise, vertical text, rotate text down, angle clockwise, rotate text up. Step 1. First of all, select the cell or cells that you want to modify. Step 2. Now click the drop-down arrow to the Orientation group in Home tab. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 3. Choose an orientation style of your choice from the menu and text will be rotated accordingly in that cell. Changing indentation of text. Indentation is a term used to describe the distance between the text and the cell boundary. Two options are available for indenting the text in Excel, that is, increase indent and decrease indent. Two more options are also available inside the Alignment group for controlling the display of text. These are wrap text. When the text entered in a cell is too large to fit inside it, then this option can be used. Wrap text feature in Excel wraps up text into multiple lines in a cell. Wrap text feature can also be applied to more than one cell or even to the entire worksheet. Following are the steps to wrap a text. Step 1. Move to the cell which contains a long text. Step 2. On the Home tab under Alignment group, click on Wrap Text button. Step 3. The text will be wrapped inside the cell. Merge and center. The process of combining two or more cells is called merging. Excel provides you various options for merging the text. 1. Merge and center. This option merges the cells and cell contents will be placed in center in the merged cell. 2. Merge across or merge cells. This option simply merges the cells without placing the content in the center. 3. Unmerge cells. This option again splits your merged cells. Merging option is generally used when a title is to be centered over a particular section of a worksheet. When a group of cells is merged, only the text in upper leftmost cell is preserved. Following are the steps to do this. Step 1. First of all, select the cells that you want to merge. Step 2. Now under the Home tab in Alignment group, click on drop-down arrow next to Merge and Center button. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 3. Select a suitable option of your choice and selected cells will be merged. Note, you can also click on the dialog box launcher of the Alignment group for more alignment options. It will open the Alignment tab of the Format Cells dialog box. Number group. Excel provides you various formats for displaying the value of text in a cell under this group. You can display the values as number, percentage, date or time, currency, and so on. Increase decimal, number format, accounting number format, percent style, decrease decimal, comma style. Following are the steps to change a number format into accounting number format. Step 1. First of all, select the cell whose value is to be formatted. Step 2. Under the Home tab in Number group, select Accounting Number Format option. It displays a drop-down menu. Step 3. Select currency of your choice which you want to apply and the cell value will be formatted. Format Painter. If you want to copy formatting from one cell to another, you can use the Format Painter command under the Clipboard group on the Home tab. Clicking on Format Painter command will copy all of the formatting from the selected cell. Then you can click and drag mouse over any cell on which you want to paste the formatting. Quick recap. Basic formatting can change the look and feel of your workbook, making it easy to view the contents of cells. Excel contains most commonly used formatting commands under the Home tab, divided in 3 groups: Font, Alignment, and Number group. Using the Font group, you can change the font, font style, font color, background color of cell, apply borders, make text bold, italic, and underline. Alignment group contains options for changing alignment, orientation, and indentation of text inside a cell. Wrap text wraps up text into multiple lines in a cell. Excel provides you various formats for displaying the value of text in a cell using number group. Format Painter option is used to copy formatting from one cell and paste it into another cell. It is present on the Home tab under the Clipboard group.